Life has been moving pretty fast lately. One minute I'm waking up in one country, and the next I'm landing on the other side of the world, sometimes even on another continent. Different countries, different time zones, and honestly, barely any consistent sleeping pattern. But somewhere in between all of that, I'm still trying to keep life balanced. Because this is what life as a cabin crew can look like. So I thought, why not take you along for a month? Just landed in Calicut, and this is the room tour, quick room tour. Just landed in Casablanca like 1 hour ago. The room is quite decent. It's not so like just looks okay to me. And let me show you the view. Welcome to Casablanca. To je muzeum tady. Just did some room service, and this is quite interesting. I've never tried any Moroccan dishes before, and this one is called like chicken tagini. That's how they pronounce, I think. Looks very nice, and it comes with a clay pot. Feels like a traditional Moroccan chicken. So yeah, let's try this. As soon as we land, I just take like I just took like 1 hour of a rest yesterday, and then after that we were decided no, this is not. I thought this is like kauri, like a spaghetti, but it's olives, man. Just took some rest, and that we went to the city. We went to the Hassan Mosque. It's a good place to be around. And after that we went to La Corniche over there. Just landed in Sao Paulo. It's currently like 6:30 here in Sao Paulo, and quick room tour. So yeah, this is the view from the hotel in Sao Paulo. There's a pool right down there. It's quite a sunny day. It's actually winters here in Sao Paulo, but I think the temperature is gonna go like 25 degrees today. I checked. Just landed in Colombo, Sri Lanka, and this is the room. Quick room tour and the view from my room, Colombo. It's quite sunny, but they have in rainy season, so it rains for like 10 minutes and after that it's sunny again. Yep, just ordered some food, pizza, Diet Coke, watching the FIFA World Cup 2026 finals. Just landed in Johannesburg, quick room tour. This is the first time I have been to Johannesburg. The room looks good. It's a small, but it's okay. It's just 32 hours layover. The view, I will show it to you in the morning. Just landed in Bali, Indonesia, and this is the Bali room tour. Maybe this is like the, I don't know, I think this is maybe the 10th time I'm coming to Bali. Just landed in Moscow, and this is the quick room tour from Moscow. It's currently 11:30 a.m. Let me show you the view. So yeah, this is the view from my Moscow room. It's already bright in Moscow at 6 a.m. in the morning. I thought it was gonna be like bright around 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. because last night it was bright till 11 p.m. But here we go, I don't know, just few hours of darkness and there's the lights back again.